The Siliva espresso machine for sale. Front, left side, right side. Stainless could use a little polishing. That's the top. The water reservoir comes with the back flush disc, a filter, has the flat screen kit mod, and a PID from Auber. There's instructions on how to use it on YouTube. Also comes with the OEM portafilter. Might have to adjust the spout, and a single dose basket. Right now I have the steam running. Gets the temp. Hit the steam button. There's the steam. So PID set right now for 220. You can set it to whatever you your temperature your coffee likes. And I'm gonna run it does pre-infusion, and then does the shot time. Timer's done, it stops itself, and PID heats it up to your selected temperature.